Hello friends, this is the lecture number 15. Now, in previous lecture, we were discussed about the concept of uh, numerical on state transition matrix and also the property of a state transition matrix. Previous lecture we were already discussed. In this lecture, we have discussed about uh, next numerical and some property of the numerical, that is a non-diagonal matrix. Suppose a matrix means system matrix which is to be given in the numerical, that matrix is supposed to be not a non-diagonal matrix. Then that time how to solve such type of the numerical? So for that, please note down this important concept. Note supposed to be that note is a state model with a non-diagonal non-diagonal matrix A. Non-diagonal matrix A. Suppose A means A is the system matrix. A having distinct eigenvalues. Distinct means different. Now, a state model with a non-diagonal matrix. A is supposed to be distinct eigenvalues. Suppose distinct means different eigenvalues can be required to canonical form. Suppose required canonical form. Just wait 2 minutes. And consider a state model and x dot is equal to ax. Then u is equal to 0. Why u is equal to 0? This is the homogeneous system. And suppose we are interested to convert that state model non-diagonal matrix A is converted into a supposed to be canonical form. म्हणजे diagonal form मध्ये त्याला कन्वर्ट जर करायचं असेल तर आपण आता एक्सप्रेशन बघतोय x dot is equal to ax, equation number 1, and x of t means supposed to be Laplace transform of that, supposed to be time domain converted into then e raised to the power a of t into x of 0. This is the equation number 2. Now where a is the suppose where a is a is supposed to be non-diagonal matrix. Non-diagonal matrix supposed to be non-diagonal matrix variable. So and also having distinct eigenvalues. Distinct means different eigenvalues. Distinct eigenvalues. For that case, what we have to done? Now for that case, suppose we have to consider one matrix that is called as a modal matrix. M is equal to consider x is equal to mz, and already x dot is equal to mz dot, and what is the mz dot is equal to amz from amz. Now similarly, suppose we have to multiply it by a. Now amz supposed to be multiplied, then put the value of x dot ची value आपण put केली suppose. Now we have to convert again it. Now z dot is equal to m inverse into a m z. Now lambda is supposed to be, it's called equal to m inverse a m, where z, what is the lambda and z? Now z is equal to, z dot is equal to lambda z omega. Now z of t is supposed to be we have to apply transform, yes, Laplace transform z transform e raised to the power lambda t into z of 0, where e raised to the power lambda t is equal to supposed to be e lambda 1 t, e raised to the power lambda 1 t 0 0 0, e raised to the power lambda 2 t 0, similarly 0 0, e raised to the power lambda t3. Now this is the only formula for solving the problem. Now what is the value of x of t? Suppose, now what is the value of x of t? Now x of t is equal to m dot z of t. Now where x of t is equal to m into z of t is equal to, put the values, therefore e raised to the power lambda of t into z of 0. This is equation number 3. Now consider initial condition. So x of 0 is equal to, sorry, x of 0 is equal to, we know that, consider x of 0 is equal to, what is the x of 0? M into z of 0, where z of 0 is equal to m inverse of x of 0. This is equation number 4. Now put in above equation. So lambda of t is equal to, lambda of t is equal to m e raised to the power lambda of t m inverse into x of 0, and what is the e raised to the power a of t is equal to m e raised to the power lambda of t. Suppose we have to put the value of lambda of t, then m e raised to the power lambda of t m inverse. Now this is the equation. If matrix, if matrix A, if it has a repeated, second case supposed to be, this is case number 2, first case is already done, that is the case 1, when the A matrix having the distinct values, note 1, and case 1 supposed to be, this is the case 1, A matrix having a non-diagonal element and distinct eigenvalues, and second case is supposed to be A is the repeated poles, eigenvalues or poles. Then e raised to the power at is in a Jordan canonical form. In Jordan canonical form is given that canonical form, that matrix is used is e raised to the power a of t is equal to, हा कशासाठी आहे, above equation is for the case 1, that is for the case 1 when the matrix A is the non-diagonal and similarly A is supposed to be non-diagonal and non-repeated or distinct poles. यहाँ पे e raised to the power at is for the repeated A matrix and having the repeated eigenvalues. So e raised to the power at is equal to m cube of t e raised to the power lambda of t into m inverse. Now m inverse modal matrix. So q of t काय राहील इथे? q of t is equal to q of t हा मॅट्रिक्स सगळ्यात महत्वाचा राहील. When the suppose A is the repeated eigenvalues, then that time q of t is equal to 1 t square upon 2 angstrom, t raised to the power q raised to the power minus 1, q minus 1 raised to angstrom, and 0 0. Similarly second row 0 1 t raised to the power q minus 2 upon q minus 2 angstrom, and so on. Similarly third row supposed to be 0 0 1 and so on, 0 0 0 0 1 and so on. अशा पद्धतीने काय राहील तुमचं मॅट्रिक्स राहील. या मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू पुट करावं लागेल क्यू ऑफ टी ची व्हॅल्यू जेव्हा रिपीटेड पोल असेल और आयजन व्हॅल्यूज फॉर द सिस्टम मॅट्रिक्स ए मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये. सो क्यू इज द आयजन व्हॅल्यू. आता याच्यामध्ये क्यू जो दिलेला आहे क्यू इथे क्यू जो दिलेला आहे वरच्या मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये वेअर क्यू इज कॉल्ड एज अ आयजन व्हॅल्यूज. आयजन व्हॅल्यूज जे पोल्स निघतील जे पोल्स आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करू ते. सो नाव solve e raised to the power a of t is equal to I plus at plus a square t square upon 2 angstrom. So e raised to the power at is equal to Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse. So si minus a inverse. So e raised to the power at is equal to m e raised to the power lambda of t m inverse is equal to m q of t e raised to the power at m inverse. So x of t time response for that particular system is equal to e raised to the power at x of 0 plus initial condition plus Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse and b into u of s input u of s. This is the final time response of the system. This is called as the x of t. Now this is the time response of the system and it's also called as a response of the system for different input. Response for the step in state model system. This is most important formula. Similarly, this is the most important formula. Second case साठी हा formula most important आहे. What is the value of e raised to the power 80? Case 2 साठी. Case 2 means suppose a system A matrix is the repeated polar, repeated eigenvalues. That time this formula utilized. And for the system eigenvalue, suppose A matrix has the distinct eigenvalue or different eigenvalue and non-diagonal element, then that time case number 1 formula is utilized. This is the formula first, note down it. Second formula for the case 2, note down it. And this is the final formula for the time response analysis of the calculated response for the state model system. Now we here discuss next numerical based on the response, find out the response of the system, how to find out the response of the any system. So next numerical. Now first we have clear next. First numerical based on time response calibration. Most important numerical exam point of view हे numerical येतातच. Now find response म्हटलं की time response आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. Find the response of the system for unit step input. आता हे न्यूमरिकल जे वर्डिंग आहे क्वेश्चनची वर्डिंग जी आहे ती सिमिलर वाटेल तुम्हाला युनिट नंबर 3 कंट्रोल सिस्टम 1 मध्ये टाइम रिस्पॉन्स एनालिसिस आपण बघितलं होतं. त्यामध्ये अशा टाइपचे न्यूमरिकल असायचे. फक्त याच्यात आपल्याला टाइम रिस्पॉन्स कसायचा काढायचा. We need to calibrate time response for the state model. Now given that x dot is equal to 0 minus 2 1 3 a matrix given, that is x of t plus 0 5, this is the b matrix u of t, and capital Y output of the system is y is equal to 0 minus 2 1 minus 3 x of t, where x of 0 initial condition is given that 1 and 1 0 initial condition 1 0. Now for that, how to solve and how to calculate the response of the system, we already know. In previous case we already discussed the source new formula for the response. how to calculate time response? Formula is x of t is equal to e raised to the power at x of 0 plus Laplace inverse of Si minus A inverse matrix into B into U of S. This is the our formula. Now, first of all, we have to calibrate Si minus A matrix. So first we have to calibrate. Now we have to calibrate Si minus. So 2 by 2 matrix means S matrix is the unity with multiplication with S. So unity matrix S 0 0 S minus what is the A? A matrix is the given that this is the A matrix that is 0 minus 2 1 3. So Si minus A is equal to Si minus A is equal to, so S plus 2, sorry, S minus 1 plus 2 and S minus 3. Okay, S minus yes, here minus already here. Now this is the plus and this is minus. Now S plus 3. Now suppose now we have to calibrate again. In formula we required Si inverse. Si minus A inverse. We need Si minus A inverse. What is the inverse? Adjoint of matrix upon determinant. How to calculate adjoint? Adjoint means determinant and adjoint. Now directly supposed to be we have to calibrate it. Then please solve it by your own, because already we know about the how to calibrate adjoint and how to calibrate determinant. Because of less time, we directly take these steps. This is the determinant of Si minus A matrix. Now this is the Si inverse. Now again Si minus A inverse supposed to be equal to S plus 3 upon S square plus 5s plus 2. Now 1 upon S square plus 5s plus 2 minus 2 upon S square plus 5s plus 2 and S upon S square plus 5s plus 2. This is the overall matrix. Matrix मध्ये राहील. Okay. Now we have to calibrate e raised to the power at. Now how to calibrate e raised to the power at? E raised to the power at means Laplace inverse of Si minus A inverse. Now e raised to the power at is nothing but Laplace inverse of Si minus A inverse जे आपण already काढलेला आहे. Now e raised to the power at is equal to Laplace inverse of that matrix. Put करा त्या value. That matrix is S plus 3 upon S square plus 5s plus 2 1 upon S plus 1 upon S plus 2 रूटच्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहून घेतला. Similarly minus 2 upon S plus 1 and S plus 2 या फॉर्म मध्ये आपण लिहू शकतो रूट्स मध्ये, and S upon S plus 1 and S plus 2. Okay, now this is we need to calculate Laplace transform. So याला पण आपण तसंच लिहू शकतो S plus 1 and S plus 2 मध्ये. ओके, पार्शियल डिफरन्शिएशन करून घ्या, पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन काढून घ्या त्याचे. सो पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन काढल्यानंतर काय भेटणार आपल्याला? A upon S plus 1 plus B upon S plus 2, similarly C upon S plus 1 plus D upon S plus 2, E upon S plus 1, F upon S plus 2, G upon S plus 1 plus H upon S plus 2. पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन तुम्हाला काढता येते, चांगल्या पद्धतीने काढता येतच असेल. मॅथमॅटिकल स्टेप्स आहे, कॅल्क्युलेट करून घ्या सगळ्यांसाठी. पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन e raised to the power at is equal to Laplace inverse of, again we need to calculate the value मिळाली a ची S plus 1 minus plus of minus of s plus 2 1 upon s plus 1 plus minus of s plus 2 e ची व्हॅल्यू निघाली -2 upon s plus 1 plus 2 upon s plus 2 -1 s plus 1 plus 2 upon s plus 2. दिस इज सिंपल मॅथमॅटिकल स्टेप्स, ते आपल्याला माहित असायला पाहिजे. ते आपल्या आता इथे आपल्याला लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्म लावायचा आहे. लॅपलास ट्रान्सफॉर्म आपण इथे लावू. आता बघू फॉर्म्युला लॅपलासचा लावल्यानंतर काय मिळणार. What is the Laplace transform of 2 upon s plus 1 plus minus 1 upon s plus 2? It is the formula is 2 into e raised to the power minus t minus e raised to the power minus 2t. What is the Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus 1 plus minus 1 upon s plus 2? This is the formula e raised to the power minus t minus of e raised to the power minus 2t. What is the formula of Laplace inverse of minus 2 upon s plus 2? There is that minus 2 e raised to the power minus t plus 2 e raised to the power minus 2t. What is the formula? Minus Laplace inverse of this minus 1 upon s plus 1 minus e raised to the power minus t plus 2 s plus 1 means e raised to the power minus 2t. Now this is the Laplace transform of above matrix form. Now again we need I is equal to e raised to the power 80 into e raised to the power x raised to the x of 0, sorry, initial condition. So supposed to be multiply given 2 e raised to the power minus t minus e raised to the power minus 2t e raised to the power minus t minus e raised to the power minus 2t minus 2 e raised to the power minus t plus 2 e raised to the power minus 2t minus e raised to the power minus t plus 2 e raised to the power minus 2t. Multiply x of 0 means x of 0 is the initial condition which is already given in numerical. काय दिलेला आहे बघून घ्या. X of 0 is given that x of 0 is equal to 1 and 0. So 1 and 0. So I is equal to, so I matrix is equal to e raised to the power 80 into x of 0 is equal to supposed to be 2 e raised to the power minus t minus e raised to the power minus 2t, and next is the minus 2 e raised to the power minus t plus 2 e raised to the power minus 2t. Okay, now next variable which is to be required in formula. Now which variable we need? Now next variable si in minus a inverse into b into u of s आपल्याला पाहिजे. Now u of s म्हणजे काय? U of s means a unit step response. So u of s given that unit step. So u of s is equal to nothing but 1. So si minus is equal to nothing but si minus a inverse into b. That is b पण दिलेला आहे, si minus a inverse पण तुम्ही काढलेला आहे, ते पुट करा त्याच्यात. So s plus 3 upon s plus 1 s plus 2 आपण काढलेला आहे. 1 upon s plus 1 s plus 2 minus 2 upon s plus 1 s plus 2 and s upon s plus 1 and s plus 2 multiplied by b matrix. B matrix काय आहे? 0 and 5 तर givenच आहे numerical मध्ये. So it is become 5 upon s plus 1 s plus 2 and 5s upon s plus 1 and s plus 2. This is one matrix. असं भेटणार. Now okay, this is the 1 by s. Yeah, u of s म्हणजे 1 by s. Unit step response आहे ना, given. So now si so si minus a inverse is si minus a inverse into b into u of s. Unit step response आहे म्हणजे u of s काय राहील 1 by s. ओके, सो पुट दॅट व्हॅल्यू. एस आय मायनस ए बी काढलेला आहे आपण, मल्टी तो प्रोडक्ट काढून घ्या. 5 अपॉन s प्लस 1 and s प्लस 2 ऑलरेडी कॅल्क्युलेट केला आहे, आणि 5 s अपॉन s प्लस 1 and s प्लस 2 मल्टिप्लाय कशाने करायचं आहे 1 by s नी, कारण u of s आलेला आहे. ओके, नाव इज इक्वल टू तुम्हाला मिळेल फायनली 5 upon s plus 1 s plus 2. इथे 5 upon s plus 1 s plus 2, कारण s कॅन्सल होऊन जाईल, तर इकडे हे भेटणार. नाउ फायनली सपोज i is equal to Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse into b into u of s. Now I is equal to Laplace inverse of 5 upon s plus 1 s plus 2 5 upon s plus 1 s plus 2. This is the matrix. Okay, now I is equal to Laplace inverse of, again take partial fraction, a upon s plus b upon s plus 1 plus c upon s plus 2, again a upon d upon s plus 1 e upon s plus 2. Calculate partial fraction method, apply करा. partial fraction method ने ते abcd च्या व्हॅल्यू पुट फॉलो कॅल्क्युलेट करा, तर तुम्हाला असं मिळणार I is equal to Laplace inverse of 5 by 2 कॅल्क्युलेट करून घ्या. s plus minus 5 by s plus 1 5 by 2 plus s plus 2. Similarly next value d ची व्हॅल्यू s plus 1, e ची व्हॅल्यू मिळत आहे minus 5 by s plus 2. Now what is the Laplace transform? Laplace transform चा काय फॉर्म्युला लावला तर काय मिळणार फायनली. सो तुम्हाला फायनली मिळणार कॅल्क्युलेट केल्यानंतर y चा फॉर्म्युला काय, या सगळ्या कॅल्क्युलेट केलेल्या व्हॅल्यूज ज्या आहेत त्या तुम्हाला आता पुट करायच्या आहे. कोणत्या फॉर्म्युलामध्ये? x of t is equal to e raised to the power at into x of 0 plus Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse into b into u of s, जे आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केलेलं आहे ऑलरेडी. नाउ तर फायनली आन्सर तुम्हाला काय भेटणार आहे सॉल्व्ह केल्यानंतर, ते फायनल आन्सर तुम्ही लिहून घ्या आणि कॅल्क्युलेट करून बघा. सो याच्यावरून तुम्हाला आउटपुट भेटणार y इज इक्वल टू 3, कारण हे x ऑफ t जे आहे हे पुट करायचं, कशात पुट करायचं आहे तुम्हाला, x ऑफ t जे कॅल्क्युलेट होईल वी नीड टू पुट इन y इक्वेशन, पुट y मध्ये करायचं. y चं व्हॅल्यू y काय दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला, y इज गिवन ॲट y काय दिलेला आहे 0 minus 2 1 minus 3 into x of t. ही व्हॅल्यू पुट करायची इथे कॅल्क्युलेट झाल्यावर, तर y तुम्हाला भेटणार फायनली. त्या व्हॅल्यू पुट केल्यानंतर y तुम्हाला असा मिळाला पाहिजे, फायनल आन्सर तुमचं असलं पाहिजे 3 e raised to the power minus t minus 3 e raised to the power minus 2t minus 5 minus 3 e raised to the power minus t plus 6 e raised to the power minus 2t. This is the output response. Required for the given system. This is the answer. Output response कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा. पहिले x of t कॅल्क्युलेट केला, हे कसं काढायचं मी सांगितलं, दोघांचं ऍडिशन करून तुम्हाला आन्सर भेटणार x of t चं. That answer put in x of t and multiply it with the given matrix. जे given matrix आहे त्याच्यासोबत मल्टिप्लाय केला मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला हे आन्सर भेटलं वायचं. वाय इक्वेशन सोबत मल्टिप्लाय केलं एक्स ऑफ टी, कॅल्क्युलेटेड एक्स ऑफ टी आहे, तर तुम्हाला फायनल आन्सर मिळालं. सो इन दिस वे वी हॅव टू कॅलिब्रेट एनी सिस्टीम रिस्पॉन्स. थँक्यू. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये आपण आता परत सेकंड न्यूमरिकल्स अँड काही न्यूमरिकल अजून बघणार आहे सेम टॉपिकवर. थँक्यू.